no? Ito, naranasan ko kasi ito bilang beginner. Unang-unang rason, bakit sila nagiging challenging? Bakit ito nagiging challenging? Unang-una, natatakot sila to buy too early or too late. Nagsastruggle sila kung yung pullback ba ay temporary or reversal na ng trend, leading to a mistimed entries. No? Alright, mamaya na yung mga how to overcome it. Pangalawang rason, lack of understanding. Ito yung pinaka-importante dyan. They don't understand market structure. They don't understand key levels. Hindi maintindihan paano yung support sa inyong Fibonacci trend lines, and it takes experience para maintindihan yan kay Miranda. Challenge number 3, nagiging emosyonal. Dahil pag nakakita na ng pullback, nagpupula na ang kandila, nagiging panic selling na. Kamiranda, you need to remember this, no? Ito, naranasan ko kasi ito bilang beginner. Totoo to, no? Alam mo, pag nakikita ko na hindi umaayon sa akin yung aking trade, ay talagang umiikot na yung tiyan ko niyan nung ako'y bago-bago.